Welcome. If you want to use Face Unlock on your Samsung Galaxy Fold, for the first we have to enter the settings, then scroll down, click on the lock screen, tap on the screen lock type, and let's click on the face right here on the switcher, click on the continue. Right here we have to set the second lock method. I will go for the pattern, so let's draw, continue, draw again, confirm. And right now we have the question that we are wearing the glasses. In my case I'm not wearing, so I'm leaving with the no. Tap on continue. And right now our smartphone is scanning our face. And in my case, okay, it is working. I was worried about a little bit because I have the camera in front of me. So let's click on the next. And right now we can lock our device. And when you want to unlock, the face is, oh, it's no match. Why? Let's check again. Okay, so as you can see, it's not work properly. Let's try again. Okay, right now it's working. So let's try again. Yeah, it's working. So probably I just had my face in the wrong position because there's a camera in front of me. So maybe I just hide the part of my face. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.